If you make value-added products or have a multi-step production process and you're mixing multiple lots from multiple suppliers, then you're more vulnerable to supplier-related recalls. You also know how important it is to keep track of your WIP, your work in process product, on the plant floor. Several of our customers fall under this category. Sausage makers that have a grind batch and then a stuffing batch, cooked steak companies that have one batch for cutting the steak and one batch for cooking the steak and they want separate yields. We even have a shellfish producer that receives bulk shellfish from the farms and has the first batch they use to cull out 3 different sizes, and then those sizes are labeled as WIP so they can be scanned into different warehouses or future packing batches. Maybe you're using handwritten tags and manual production worksheets and you have no idea how much WIP you actually have on the plant floor. Well, once you start VistaTracking your products, you can print barcoded labels for all of your WIP, and you can produce WIP from one production batch so it can be scanned into the next production batch and the next step in your process. When you VistaTrack your products, you can stop guessing and start knowing. Stop guessing how much WIP inventory you have and know how much you have. Stop guessing which lots were used in production and have true traceability for all your lots as they move throughout your different production processes. And stop guessing what your yields are, and you'll know the independent yields from each different step in your production process. Sign up for a demo today so you can see how VistaTrac can help you manage your WIP.